What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. I'm down here in Georgia getting my suspension done. As you can see, I got new gold control arms, sway bar links, and we're just waiting to put the wheel bearings in. And once the wheel bearings are in, throw the tires on, and I'm done with that. Also, I got my new front plates for both cars. See, I got two of them. Hold on. I got one for the ML500 and one for this car. I just gotta go. I gotta pick up a license plate, the little frame thing that goes on here to hold it in place. The one I had on here, I took it off and put it on another car, so I gotta get that put on. And as you already know, like I said, I straight piped the car basically from the cat's back. See, now you can see underneath the resonator's gone, the muffler's gone. You already seen the video how it sounds. So y'all know what it sounds like. And to somebody who I know is definitely watching my video, I got mechanics that actually do work. All right, I drop my car off in the morning, it's done in the afternoon, not 6 days later. Like stuff like this, you go see your worthless mechanic, 5 days later, your car's still not done. My car, 5 hours later. That's the difference between me and you. I deal with real mechanics. And I put real license plates on the front of my car, not cheap shit that's made with paper off my printer in my house. Invest in yourself. You want to be a brand? Invest in your brand and invest in yourself. Yeah, license plates now, t-shirts, jackets, and sweatshirts coming soon. And since we got COVID going on, I'm thinking about getting some masks with this on it too. Oh, and the next car probably will more than likely look exactly like this, all black, wrapped like this. Stay tuned.